JDM Sport. So I got my gauges in, and it came with a free pod to sit on top of the dash. So that was cool. So I gotta get JDM Sport. Shout out, they did that. So these are the gauges that they offer. But I ordered the EGT separately, and I got the kit. Came with the cluster, so I thought that was cool. So these are more parts for the 240. Like I said, every time I get something, I'll let you guys check it out. If you want to get a look at this, that way if it works for me, you might want to order them. Alright, well, it's getting close to time. Once I pull them out and install them, I'll give a review on them, let you know if I like them and how they work. I just like them because they go all black, and then they light up when you turn them on. So I thought that was cool. Alright, well, when some more parts come in, I'll let you guys know. I'll be sending the block off to the machine shop. So I'll let you know as soon as I get it out. I'll post it before I send it. Alright, JDM Sport. You see it. So leave me some reviews, let me know if it's good or not, or did I make the right decision. I'm gonna use them anyway and make my own review, but I would like to know if they're good or not. Alright, thanks. We out.